JJ the CPA here. Hope you're doing well. So for those affected by natural disaster, I'm sorry for the circumstances that you are in. If you're looking for some relief, the Small Business Administration has it for you in many circumstances. Now, you would apply for these things directly at the SBA website, sba.gov, a link in the body of this video. Also, you want to ensure that your area has been declared a disaster area, which you also will be able to determine in the same link in the body of this video. This is a video related to the economic injury disaster loan. So this has nothing to do with the pandemic, and it's different in some regards related to now a natural disaster in terms of your need for the economic injury disaster loan. Now, if you have physical injury to your small business or to your residence or as a renter to your personal property, then check out the other loans that the SBA makes available. But the focus of this is that this is up to $2 million. It is a 30-year loan, no more than 4%. Now, related to this, if you are under economic injury and you have business property damage, then these would be two separate loans. Now, if you don't have business damage to your property, to your location, you can still get this EIDL because this is about economic injury, and the purpose of it is to help you with your ongoing expenses to run your business, your normal operating expenses such as payroll taxes, a loan to help cover rent, utilities, telephone, the insurance, your normally scheduled loan payments. This is not available for property damage. That would be a separate loan related to that with the SBA. Now, with this, when we're looking at this, you probably, different from the pandemic, will be working with an SBA agent. The way that this has worked in the past, because the EIDL has been around a long time, well before the pandemic, is that you will apply directly and only at the SBA at sba.gov, and you will then go through that application process. But in the past, you will then be assigned an actual agent of the SBA, and with whatever dollar amount you're approved for, they will then loan it to you as you need it. And so you will need to, in essence, have an ongoing relationship with the SBA to show them that you need the funds. And then even if you got approved, let's say up to $2 million, they're not going to just loan you the $2 million. Typically, how it's worked in the past is they're going to loan you up to the $2 million until you're out of economic injury. So if you feel that you're in economic injury related to a natural disaster, you're in a declared area, you apply, you get the $2 million, you then show them that you need $50,000 for upcoming expenses, then they're going to loan you $50,000. So it works more, in my opinion, as a line of credit, because then in those circumstances, if they advanced you 50 grand, then if you came to them and said, well, I need another 50 grand for these expenses, then they're going to loan you another 50 grand. So there's always exceptions to this, and it depends on the natural disaster, depends on you, but that's how it's worked in the past, that you get approved up to a dollar amount, and then they advance it as you need it related to economic injury working capital needs. So check out the link in the body of the video related to this, as well as other videos for other disaster relief from the SBA. And if you are in these circumstances, I hope that you recover soon. Thoughts and prayers with you, and all the best of luck to getting back to full normal operations for you and your business.